eat organic vegetables at free of cost. Avoid from buying outside, which may have traces of pesticides on top. Taking care of plants and watering the plants, it is a good exercise and it keeps the mind fresh. Terrace garden have a cooling effect on your mood. It is one of the best hobbies and it acts like a stress buster. And it is good for the environment. So friends, now
You find the same.
let's talk about how to set up terrace garden.
একটু সরো আমি এটা একটু আরো আগে করে দিই
Layout. Prepare a layout of terrace garden. Make sure the roof is waterproof.
ওরে কোন ঠান্ডা বসেছ কার্টুন বসানো হবে
The proper drainage has to be set up. Prepare the soil with organic compost like coconut peat, red sand, and vegetable compost. Don't use chemical fertilizers on top. Tomato, spinach, mint, eggplant, and lemon are easy to set up them and maintain them. We need tools like shovel, big scissors, and water can. And even our government is selling terrace garden kits at minimal price. So friends, now let's try to set up terrace garden in all our home and make our house greener and cleaner. Thank you.
Very good, Raksha.
Well done, dear. It's very nice. Thank you, Raksha.
You're welcome, ma'am.
So this is your model, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you made a house and on top you have created, wow, that's so nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
So what are all the plants you are growing at your home? What is that?
This is pineapple.
Okay. The next one?
Scorpion. And this is
Oh,
tomato.
okay.
This is tomato.
Okay, dear. Thank you. Thank you, Raksha.
You're welcome.